Hello everyone. UPSC Mains 2025 is around the corner, and with just few weeks left, this is the perfect time to strengthen your optional paper with Anubhav optionals. As you all know that the optional paper carries 500 marks, which is 28% or one third of the total main score, and often a deciding factor between getting a rank or missing it. Optional paper is a very high scoring paper. Most of the toppers manage to score between 290 to 320 plus in their optionals, and this can help to overall improve your ranking dramatically. The syllabus is quite stable and predictable, so you can plan it properly, and with regular answer writing you can master it with confidence. Also, the optional paper gives you that personal space because you compete with fewer people, and it improves your chances to stand out. And that is where our Anubhav optional plays a very important role and makes a huge difference in your performance. So let's just understand the entire Anubhav optional paper. So the test papers are meticulously curated by our faculty members, whether it is economics by Vibhas Shah sir, or it is geography by Alok Ranjan sir, or PSIR by Dr. Piyush Chaubey. So you will be tested by the faculties who know the in and out of the examination. Also in our panel, we have Raj Rai sir for sociology, Dr. Sudhir Kumar for anthropology, and Avinash Singh sir for mathematics optional. Now for the optional paper, just revising and making note is not sufficient. Regular practice of real exam is very important. So let's just understand why you should be taking the Anubhav optional. The first and most important thing is that both the papers, paper 1 and 2, will be conducted on the same day in the same time slots like UPSC. So you will be facing the actual examination, and also the quality of the questions is not random or outdated. It is as per the standards of UPSC. Evaluation will be done in a very time bound manner and with proper detailed feedback. So you'll be getting a very detailed feedback, and it will help you to understand your mistakes so that you do not repeat them. After evaluation, you can even book a slot for one-to-one mentorship, and that too with our faculties directly. So they'll be analyzing your performance, and they'll also be sharing certain tips to improve your answers. We have taken utmost care to cover up the entire syllabus of both paper 1 and paper 2. The solutions or the model answers that we'll be providing will be quite detailed one with proper examples and value added contents, diagrams and keywords. For the online students, they'll be attempting the test through our portal. So they'll be downloading the question paper, writing the answers and uploading it on the portal. And even your performance analysis will be on the Next IS portal. Now the test, the Anubhav optional test is on 5th of August. Kindly mark it in your calendar. It's 5th of August, and both the papers will be on the same day for these optionals: economics, anthropology, geography, sociology, PSIR and mathematics, all on the same day. First paper will be from 9 to 12 p.m. and the second paper will be from 2 to 5 p.m. And you have the option of either choosing evaluated or self-evaluated test as per your own choice. Now the exam, as already informed to you, that it will be conducted at 9 a.m. on the exam day. So for the offline students, they need to visit the center at least 15 minutes before, and for the online students, the paper will be uploaded at 9 a.m. on the test day. The solutions will be uploaded on the portal the next day by 5 p.m. and it will be in soft copy format, which is downloadable also. Evaluation will be done within 96 hours, that is within 4 days after submission of the test paper. Mentorship, for mentorship you can book the slot. You can just call us or mail us and we'll connect you to our faculties one-to-one for your doubt clearing. The Anubhav test is both in offline as well as in online mode, and it is only in English medium. And for the, like I have already informed, the portal will be there for your performance analysis and for the online students. Now we are conducting the test in different cities. In Delhi, we are conducting it in ORN and Mukherjee Nagar Center. Then we have Jaipur Center, Prayagraj Center, Hyderabad, Pune and Bhopal. So you can select any of the test center which is near to your home and you can give the tests. So if you really want to make your optional a very powerful high scoring tool, then I must say that you should not miss this chance and do the rehearsal by giving the Anubhav test for the actual examination. And if you need more details, you may visit our website or you may email us or you may even call us to register. Till then, keep learning and keep shining. Thank you so much and do not forget the date. It's 5th of August. Thank you so much.